Welcome to Ajisha's Tuition, where learning made easy.
In this channel, we are going to learn basic mathematics and physics. If you like our video lectures, give us like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Happy learning!
Today we are going to see about different types of polynomial. For knowing about different types of polynomial, first we have to know how we will determine number of terms in a polynomial. For finding number of terms in a polynomial, first we have to check whether the given polynomial consists of plus or minus symbol. Whether the given polynomial contains plus or minus symbol. Secondly, if the polynomial having plus or minus symbol, then you have to check whether the polynomial having like or unlike term. Whether the polynomial having like or unlike term. By using these 2 points, we can check number of terms in a polynomial. So first we have to check whether the polynomial consists of any plus or minus symbol. Then you have to check whether the polynomial having like or unlike term. For example, here you can take one polynomial 4x into 2. So in this case, this polynomial, there was no plus or minus symbol. So we can say that this polynomial contains only one term. Here 4x into 2 was treated as a single term. You can see one more example. 5a into 6b. In this case also, this polynomial also having, there was no plus or minus symbol. So 5a into 6b, this polynomial also having only one term. If you are taking another example, 10xy divided by 2. This is also one polynomial, 10xy divided by 2. This case also there was no plus or minus symbol, so we can say that this polynomial also contain only one term. If you are taking another example, 10a into 2b. In this case also there was no plus or minus symbol, so we can say that this polynomial also consists of only one term. So if the polynomial that do not have any plus or minus symbol, then we can say that that polynomial consists of only one term. Because in the case of polynomial, we can able to do the multiplication and division. So 4x into 2 we can able to multiply. If you multiply this one, our answer will be, if you multiply this one, our answer will be 8x. Okay, that is the reason why we can tell this polynomial consists of only one term. Similarly, 10xy by divided by 2, we can able to divide this one. Okay, later we will see how we will do multiplication and division in algebraic expression or in polynomial. Here 10xy by divided by 2 we can able to divide. That is the reason why this polynomial consists of only one term. That is, if you divide this one, our answer is only 5xy. Okay, this is a polynomial that consists of only one term. That is the reason why we can say that if the polynomial do not have any plus or minus symbol, then that polynomial consists of only one term. Otherwise we can say that if there was only multiplication and division operation in a polynomial, then we can say that polynomial consists of only one term. Now here you can see another example, 5x plus 3. Now in this polynomial there was one plus symbol. If the polynomial having plus symbol, then you have to check 5x and 3. Here both are different, both are not like, they are unlike. If they are unlike, then each one was treated as a single term. That is, 5x is the first term and 3 is the second term. So we can say that this polynomial consists of two terms. If you are taking another example, 6a minus 2b. In this case also, this polynomial contain one minus symbol, and also first one is 6a and 2b. Both are unlike. So each term was treated as a single term. That is, it says the first term and 2b is the second term. So this polynomial that contains two terms. If you are taking one more example, 7 into a plus b. In this case, this is also one polynomial. Here a and b, here there was one plus symbol. So we can take, this is one plus symbol. So this is a variable, b is another variable, both are different. So here 7 into a, that was treated as a first term, 7 into b, that was treated as a second term. So we can say that this is also polynomial that consists of two terms. Suppose if the polynomial, you can say one more example, 6x plus 2x. Now here in this polynomial that also having one plus symbol, but if you consider 6x and 2x, both are like terms. If the terms are like 6x and 2x, that is like, then 6x and 2x we can able to add. That is the reason why the 6x and 2x that is combined together. So we can say that this polynomial that consists of only one term. This polynomial also having only one term because they are like term. Similarly, if you are taking another example, 7x square minus 2x. In this case, you can see here there was one minus symbol is there. Then 7x square and 2x, both are variable is different, so they are unlike. So 7x square is the first term of this polynomial and 2x is the second term of this polynomial. So we can say that this polynomial also having two terms. At the same time, if you are writing 7x square, if you are writing 7x square minus 2x square, in this case, just to see the difference between the two polynomial, here 7x square minus 2x, here 7x square minus 2x square. In this polynomial also there was one minus symbol, but the 7x square and 2x square both are like terms. If the terms are like term, then these terms are considered as a single term. So we can say that in the case of 7x square minus 2x square, there was only one term. Because here we can do the subtraction because it is a like term. So that is the reason why this polynomial consists of only one term. Later we will do how we will do the subtraction. Now you have to know only how to identify number of terms in a polynomial. Now here you can see, if you are taking one example 5a, in this is also a polynomial because this is a constant and variable. So 5a is a polynomial. It consists of, there was no plus and minus symbol. So we can say that this polynomial consists of only one term. Similarly here if you write 3a divided by 2. This is also one polynomial because there was the polynomial. It also consists of only one term. Now here this is 2a into 3. 2a into 3, here also there was no plus or minus symbol. So this polynomial also consists of only one term. So we can say that here all the three polynomial that consists of only one term. Now we can see another one set of polynomial, that is 2a minus 3. In this case, this polynomial that contains one minus symbol. 2a and 3 both are unlike. So we can say that 2a is the first term and 2a is the first term and 3 is the second term. So we can say that this polynomial that contains two terms. If you are taking another one example, 4x square plus 2x. In this case, this polynomial also having one plus symbol. Moreover, 4x square and 2x both are unlike. So we can take 4x square is the first term, 4x square is the first term, 2x is the second term. That is, this is also a polynomial that contains two terms. If you are taking another an example, 5x cube plus 3y minus z. In this case, there was one plus symbol and a minus symbol, and all are separate different terms, that is 5x cube, 3y minus z, all the variables are different. So we can take 5x cube is the first term, 2y is the second term and z is the third term. So we can say that this polynomial that contains 3 terms. Now in the first set of equation 5a, this second and this one is third. In the first set of polynomial, all the polynomial that contains only one term, then that types of polynomials are called monomial. That types of polynomials are called monomial. If the polynomial that contains two terms, that consists of two terms, then that types of polynomials are called binomial. That types of polynomials are called binomial. And if the polynomial that consists of three terms, then that types of polynomials are called trinomial. And if the polynomial that consists of four terms, then it is called quadrinomial, and so on. Okay, in this way we can identify monomial, binomial and trinomial. Monomial is a polynomial that consists of only one term. Binomial is a polynomial that consists of two terms. Trinomial is a polynomial that consists of three terms. If the polynomial number of terms in the polynomial was calculated or identified by means of the presence and absence of plus or minus symbol, and by identifying like and unlike term. If the polynomial having one term, then it is called monomial. Polynomial having two term, it is called binomial, and polynomial having three term, then it is called trinomial. Thank you.